Hello, my name is John Siegel. I'm a computer engineering student here at the University of Cincinnati, and I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about our senior design project. So, we are working in collaboration with the Cincinnati Zoo in order to enrich the lives of Kia birds. And these birds are similar to parrots, however, they're significantly more intelligent and they get up to a lot of mischief at the zoo. So, our goal is to create a game or like a game box that the birds can interact with to enrich their lives and also find a way to help interact with the birds and also the zoo goers. So we wanted to make a simple solution but also robust so that the birds couldn't pry apart the enclosure that we were going to build because they really enjoy trying to peck at things and pry them apart with their beaks. So we wanted to make the solution simple, and we also wanted to make it cheap. So we were going to utilize things like Allied Electronics and DigiKey to get cheap things like joysticks and certain buttons that wouldn't be able to be destroyed by the bird. And one of our other main goals was to make this interaction great for the zoo goers as well as the birds because the birds won't want to do something if they don't get rewarded or it doesn't challenge them, and the kids might get bored just looking at random animals. So this thing would also, once the bird won or if the kid won, then the Kia could be fed, and then also, say for example, the kid loses, they could be shot with a jet of water, and then the kid could be excited or maybe a little scared. Who knows? And then the bird would get great joy from that because not only would it be fed, but it would also enjoy seeing the kid's reaction. So that is a little bit about our project that we were doing with Cincinnati Zoo.